This next stage of the bull market is going to be the most critical time for many new investors. A lot of people are scheduled to come into the cryptocurrency market during the final stages of any bull market. That is how the system works. And so during this period, a lot of money is going to be made and a lot of money is going to be lost. Make sure you're on the right side of those profits. And that's what we're going to look at in today's video, my overview of strategies that I'm looking for in this next quarter and potentially into quarter one and quarter two of 2022. Now, these are theories and techniques that I share with my members in Patreon and in the membership course, which you can find a link to in the description down below if you're wanting to join us. So in today's video, I'm going to go through some of the strategies and a brief overview of what I think is coming up in this next quarter. So make sure you smash that like button and destroy the subscribe button, because you can always unsubscribe later. It is a free, risk-free investment to click those links down below. Let's start with cryptocurrency market caps. And this is important because we're seeing where the money is flowing and how beefed up the industry is getting. I'm also going to cover some other strategies that we've seen before in terms of altcoin phases, and then get through some charts as well. So the first thing here is $54,000 BTC, and ETH is beginning to climb back to its previous all-time high, yet again getting closer to that $4,000 level. And that, of course, is bringing in a lot of activity and huge greed into the market. Looking at the greed, we are at 76 yesterday and 74 today. So looking at the chart of the fear and greed, we're getting spicy again on that greed index. And you know what has happened in the past when we get to those levels between that 70 and 80, you can see that we tend to have a bit of a pullback. We need some sort of cooling off in the market. Now, if we are spinning all the way back to earlier in 2021, we just shot straight up into the 90s and hung around in those 90s